Hello, and welcome to Rich in Progress. Did you know that a potato is both the food and the seed? It's one of those few things in nature where what keeps you alive today is also what can feed you tomorrow. Now imagine this. You have no other food and someone gives you one potato. You have a real choice. Do you eat it or do you plant it? If you eat it, you survive today, but tomorrow the hunger returns. If you plant it, you wait. You are uncomfortable today for a while, but eventually the single potato produces many more potatoes. And then you don't just survive, you actually multiply. Money works the same way. Money is like a potato. It can be consumed or it can be planted. But most of us were never taught this. We think when we have money, we can spend. But what really is money? Now, money is not just money. Money is time. Every pound you earn is a piece of your life. You will never get it back. Early mornings, late nights, missed rests, mental energy you spend at work, you go from pillar to post. Then you get paid for the time you have traded. Do you know what? Money is trading your life. And time, unlike money, can never be printed, borrowed, or replaced. Time is the scarcest commodity on earth. So when you spend money carelessly, you are not just wasting cash. You are actually spending a part of your life. This realization alone should slow us down when we are about to spend money without thinking about what the future holds. Before most purchases, most people will ask, can I afford this? Do I want this? Does this make me feel good? But the better question is this worth the hours of my life it took to earn this money? Suddenly, that impulse to buy something looks different. That unnecessary upgrade looks different. That lifestyle pressure looks different. This is not about guilt. It's about clarity. Because clarity gives you power. Investing is not all about charts, apps, or complicated languages. No. Investing is simply this: using money you've already spent time earning so it can earn more money without your time again. That's it. When money works while you sleep, while you are with your family, while you rest, you are slowly buying back your life. This is why the wealthy people value assets more than income. Now, income requires you to show up. Assets work even when you don't. So what I'm trying to say is that you use your life, you pay with your life to earn an income. But when you have received this income, you should use the income to invest in something that will not require your life again. It's not about hoarding. It's about respect. Respect for your efforts, for your energy, your future self, your family, and your purpose. When you steward money well, you are saying, my life is too valuable to waste. You are saying, I refuse to spend all my seeds today and starve tomorrow. Now, I'm not saying don't enjoy life. Of course, it's potatoes, so you can eat some of it, but never eat all of it. Always ask, what can I plant? What can I grow? What will still be working when I am tired, when I'm old, or when I get laid off work? What will still be bringing me income? Because freedom doesn't arrive suddenly. It grows quietly from seeds that are planted consistently. And money is that seed. It's not only the food to be consumed or spent, no, it is seed. Money is seed. Time is life. Every decision you make with money is a decision about how you spend your life. Eat everything today, and tomorrow looks the same. But if you plant wisely, and one day your time belongs to you again. This is the secret behind financial stewardship. For you to know that income is trading your own life to earn, while investing is your money working for you so that you do not need to trade your life. Trade your life to earn an income is good. However, as you are doing this, use part of the income you've earned to invest so that it can bring to you money that you do not need to trade your life for. I hope this makes sense to you and gives you a new paradigm shift on investing and seeing money not just as food to spend, but as a seed to plant, grow, and nurture. This is Rich in Progress. This channel is an educational channel. It is not financial advice. Thank you very much.